Hello everyone, my name is Babita Sinha. I am a student of Political Science TYBA from Patkar Verde College, and today we will be discussing Political Science paper 4 International Relations, and the title is India's Foreign Policy under Prime Minister Narendra Modi, that is from 2014 till date. First of all, I would like to tell you all about the few policies that I will be considering. First is the Look East policy, second, the Link West policy, next is the Indian Ocean Outreach Program, and the Para Diplomacy policy. Starting with the Look East policy. The Look East policy was launched by former Prime Minister of India P.V. Narasimha Rao in 1991, which marked the shift of countries' trading focus from the Western countries to the booming economies in the Southeast Asian region. For example, Vietnam. The policy was used by successors of Narasimha Rao, such as Atal Bihari Vajpayee and Dr. Manmohan Singh. But it continued only till 2014, when up till the NDA government came in power. The NDA government upgraded the policy to Act East policy. The Modi government upgraded the policy, saying that the successive governments of PV Narasimha Rao had turned the policy into a tool for forging strategic partnership and security cooperation, rather than for what it was meant to be, related to economic ties. The Act East policy aims at India having a more proactive role in the Southeast Asian region. The Act East policy was launched in November 2014. Now, moving further, let's see what are the differences between the Look East policy and the Act East policy. While the Look East policy was aimed at economic integration within the Southeast Asian countries, the Act East policy was focused on economic as well as security integrations. This Look East policy focused mainly on the Southeast Asian countries only, while the Act East policy considered the Southeast Asian as well as the East Asian countries. Moving further towards the Link West policy, now we have seen the East policy, now we'll move towards the West policy.